Hey man, say man, it's your boy Pluto. You know what I'm saying? Today's video, I'm gonna show y'all what autotune to use to music. You know what I'm saying? I'm young groovy. Let's get into it, bro. Please tell me. Hold up. Alright, look. Yeah. Hold on, let me turn this off. Alright, bro. So look, I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek of my thing. I'm not even done. So, here, right here, only here. Yeah. I got purple diamonds, they finna shine like me. But I'm Alright, bro. Y'all wanna sound like that? I got y'all. So, press this voice and mic. You're gonna press this. You can pause the video if you want. We got all this, blah blah. You can pause the video. This space maker. You know what I'm saying? And we got Kui, whatever this shit is, bro. Just put this joint. Then you got this studio reverb and noise gate. Go back to this studio reverb. Then the last one is this. Alright, now that y'all got all that shit, I'm not about to do this video professional. Y'all wanna put it like right there, and then put it on D major. Wait, yeah, put it all the way, and then yeah, that's how you get good autotune. And if y'all want ad libs, if y'all want ad libs, I'm gonna go to this one. Boom, you got this, and Tech Lab, and Studio Reverb, and Noise Gate, and then here are the auto pitch. Yeah, man, Pluto's out.